Have a day, everyone. We're here at Lee's Market and I'm going to cook mongo. So I need to buy my ampalaya. And that's our lunch for today. Later. Gusto ko nga nagluto ng munggo. I guess patola na lang.
Wala nang nag-deliver.
Saan pa ito sa flea market, no?
Kopi ko. Oh, fishbowl. Yeah, Filipino spaghetti.
I have some at the house. This one.
Salabat.
Oh, we need to, they don't have the
So, no? Sige na.
This one na lang. This is only $2.95. See? That's for what? Look at this. It's $2.95. Lang.
Walis ting-ting.
What is it? What one only?
2. Oh, this one's good. Emily likes it.
Which one?
This one.
You want that one?
She likes that one.
I'm gonna get that one.
Mais.
And
So what did you buy, baby?
patola. Then we're gonna make miswa
At
with
saka,
patola.
saka Mr. Wa.
Walang Mr. Wa. Miswa lang.
Benin yan, yun.
No, I don't want to eat benin yet. I'm gonna cook our Filipino food.
It's the Magnificent Mall. The biggest mall in Guam. And Jollibee. You have 2 Jollibee here in Guam. It's JRMC, one of our private hospital. Most of their doctors are from Philippines, St. Luke's, I believe.
Yes. It looks like they actually have a contract to bring them here to work and then come back.
Driving, so careful, babe.
I'm always careful when I drive. Always. I'm a good
yes,
mom.
yeah.
And I think I'm a great wife.
Yes, you are.
No complaint there.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a great travel companion. Right?
Yeah.
I don't bring that much luggage
Okay, yeah.
because I'm smart. I put my hand carry inside the bigger luggage so I have more stuff to buy and we don't have to buy an extra luggage coming back.
And you make me carry all of it.
No, I carry my own luggage, sorta, kinda. You know.
We live with 2 luggages, come back with 6 luggages.
No, we live with 1 luggage, we come back with 2 luggages each.
So,
So that's 4. We live with 2, we come back with 4.
okay.
Yeah. That's a single hand carry. I have a hand carry. So that's okay, so like 5.
Yeah, we get about what, 6 hand carries, like what Pastor showed yesterday.
That wasn't fair.
It's facts.
Oh my. Well, I couldn't find my mungo recipe, so I just made miswa with patola for lunch. Good enough.
Thank you for watching.